channel. So this video is going to be me trying 4 Patriots items, food items here. Now, if you guys haven't seen my video before, I did an unboxing that 4 Patriots sent me to unbox. The first thing that they put in the box is a 4 Patriots 1 week food supply kit, which we are going to be making and trying for y'all, okay? Basically, you get the point. So I'm going to be trying their food and trying all their items, and I'm giving you a realistic review on their products to see if you guys want to buy them or not. So the first thing that we have here is the 4 Patriots America's Finest mac and cheese. The next thing I got here is the fire stew. 5 out of 5. Would recommend. Smell good, tastes good. The next thing here I got is the creamy rice and vegetable dinner. The next thing I got here is this oatmeal. Now this product right here, I like how they have the cheese powder and the noodles together. This is what it's looking like. This is what the macaroni and cheese look like. Okay, first I'm gonna try it without the salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna add the salt and pepper on it, okay? A lot of people don't like a lot of cheese in their macaroni and cheese, but I do. So I still give this a 5 because I am going to buy this, okay? Now the packaging. I love the packaging. I love the material on the packaging. This right here lasts 25 years. You can set it on the shelf. You can forget about it and go back to it in a crisis and be like, oh, 4 Patriots, you just saved my life, okay? So 5. So great job, 4 Patriots on this macaroni and cheese. I love your product, okay? I love the macaroni and cheese. I will buy that. I am going to buy that.